In 2025, accepting credit card payments online has become absolutely essential for businesses of all sizes. Today, we'll explore the three primary methods that make this possible and the latest developments transforming the payment landscape. There are three primary methods for accepting credit card payments online. Each method serves different business needs and customer preferences. Let's examine each one in detail. Invoice-based payments involve sending digital invoices with embedded payment links directly to customers. This method is particularly effective for service-based businesses and recurring billing scenarios. Customers receive professional invoices via email and can pay with a simple click. Checkout integration embeds secure payment forms directly within websites or applications. This method provides immediate transaction processing and is essential for e-commerce stores. Customers can complete purchases without leaving your website, improving conversion rates. Payment links are standalone URLs that direct customers to secure payment pages. This method requires no website and can be shared through email, SMS, or social media. It's perfect for service providers, pop-up businesses, and social media sales. The payment processing landscape has evolved significantly in 2025. Three major developments are transforming how businesses accept payments. Embedded finance integration seamlessly connects payments with business software. AI-powered fraud detection provides real-time protection with over 99% accuracy. And instant settlement options improve cash flow with same-day processing. Understanding the payment processing flow helps businesses choose the right method. When a customer makes a payment, the transaction travels through multiple secure checkpoints, including payment gateways, processors, card networks, and banks before reaching the merchant. This entire process happens in seconds, ensuring secure and efficient transactions. Each payment method offers unique advantages depending on your business model. Invoice-based payments work best for service businesses and recurring billing. Checkout integration is essential for e-commerce stores. Payment links are perfect when you don't have a website. All methods now benefit from enhanced security and faster processing in 2025. Selecting the right payment method depends entirely on your specific business needs and technical requirements. We'll explore how to match your business type with the most effective payment solution. For businesses without websites or those needing simple transaction processing, payment links are the easiest solution. Providers like Square and Stripe offer shareable links that work via email, SMS, or social media. E-commerce businesses benefit most from checkout integration. Platforms like Shopify with Stripe integration can increase conversion rates by 15% and reduce cart abandonment by 60% through seamless payment experiences. Service-based businesses can automate payment collection using invoice-based systems like FreshBooks. These systems integrate with accounting software and provide automated payment reminders, reducing collection time by 50%. All online payment systems must meet essential technical requirements for security and compliance. PCI DSS compliance is mandatory for any business handling credit card data, ensuring customer information remains protected. SSL and TLS encryption create secure connections between customers and payment processors. This handshake process ensures all sensitive data is encrypted during transmission, protecting against interception and fraud. Tokenization replaces sensitive card data with secure tokens, adding an extra layer of protection. Even if tokens are intercepted, they cannot be used to access the original payment information. Buy now, pay later options have seen explosive growth, with 73% of merchants now offering BNPL. This payment method increases average order values and attracts younger customers who prefer flexible payment terms. Cryptocurrency payment acceptance is growing as regulatory clarity improves. Services like BitPay and Coinbase Commerce make it easy to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, appealing to tech-savvy customers and international markets. Successful implementation follows a three-phase approach. Start with basic setup in the first 2 weeks, choosing a primary payment processor and testing with small transactions to ensure everything works correctly. The key to success is starting simple and scaling up. Monitor customer payment preferences, analyze conversion rates, and continuously optimize your payment process to reduce friction and increase sales.